இப்ப நான் வந்து இப்ப ஒன் நோட்டுக்கு போகணும்னா இங்க கொண்டு
wait. Wait. So now what you do is you go to share screen for them to see.
Yeah.
So you go to share screen. Click on that. First is there. Click on that.
இங்க
இது click.
பட் இத பண்ணினா இதத்தான் இப்ப பார்க்க முடியாவா?
Minimize பண்ணிடு போலே. Minimize this. Come here and minimize it.
இப்படி இல்ல, இது இல்லையா?
இல்ல, அது maximize.
Good evening, ma'am.
எங்க போச்சு?
Minimize it. இங்க இருக்கு.
அத சொல்றேன்.
இது open பண்ணு. I think somebody greeted you.
Hello, good evening. இதுக்கப்புறம் பேசலாம். இதைத்தான் நான் பண்ணல. நான் மியூட் பண்ணல. நேற்று மியூட் கொடுத்தேன்.
Right now they can hear you. Satwik, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Sharing.
And are you able to see me, or are you able to see the maths shared class?
Both, ma'am. At right side, I can see the video and I can see the share screen.
All right, fine. Because she's we'll wait for another 2 minutes. At sharp 4, we'll start the class. All right?
Ma'am, you're muted.
Yeah. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, we're just waiting for the others to join in.
Hello. We are just waiting for 2 more minutes so that all other students also join.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So how is the evening? Did you do the homework I gave you last week?
Yes, ma'am. 3 sum.
3 sums are there. And what was that about? Subtraction?
Yes, ma'am. Subtraction.
Okay, so all the 3 you have done. You are sure about
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Not addition we did?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Addition we completed. Subtraction also we did.
Which part of subtraction you want me to redo today? We'll start the class now. Let's do the prayer first.
Ma'am, it's understood.
Pardon?
Ma'am, it's understood subtraction.
Okay, I understood the subtraction. They have understood the subtraction.
Right.
Have we understood subtraction now?
Just a minute. Let's do the prayer first. Repeat after me. Om Asatoma
Om Asatoma
Sadgamaya
Sargamaya
Tamasoma
Tamasoma
Jyotirgamaya
Jyotirgamaya
Mrityorma
Prityorma
Amritam Gamaya.
Amrutangamaya.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
That's a good attempt. You did it at one go. Now, I'm going to either now.
How to minimize this? Cut it.
Now, since we have covered dot addition and subtraction, I would like you to be perfect in checking out our answers. We've been doing mathematics in so many years, so many this thing. We are not sure whether our answer is the correct answer.
Continue.
Yeah.
Go- go.
So today will be the day where I'll be doing
One second.
something called verification.
Start. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ now you can write.
ಚಿನ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಬೇಡ.
Sure. Continue ಕರೆಯೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Verification technique means whether my answer is the right answer or not. So we've been doing many problems. Now in this case here, we are having a addition to the left. You see in the book. You see the addition problem. We are adding 97 to 64 to 36 to 85. What is the total I got in this case? What is the total I got in this case? Can somebody?
272.
Yeah, tell me. Can you tell me the total I got?
1 minute.
I put the dot over here. I put a dot over here.
1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 7,
Hmm. I put another dot here.
12.
Then
Then put the dot on 6 and add 3 with 9.
also another dot here. Then I get a
Write 3.
3 or 2.
272.
Ma'am, 322.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When I come to the
322.
last column, in the 100th column, I'll be just seeing how many dots are there. 3. 322 is my right answer. Got it?
Ma'am, it is 26, ma'am.
There is a misprint in the book. I noted it earlier also. There is a slight mistake over there. I'm going to take both the answers now. This verification technique is such that you can check your answer by the method I'm going to inform just now. The method is called, Navashesha. Navashesha means what? Balance of 9. Balance of 9 method I'm going to do now. Balance of 9 means what?
Ma'am, can you repeat the name?
Yeah, I'm going to write also. Navashesha. Balance of 9. Navashesha means balance of 9. When I add any 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 5 numbers, anything, I get a total. I want to check my total. Whether my total is right or wrong, that is how I'll check it. So that system itself is called the Navashesha. Everyone should try to be on time to the class, not so late. Navashesh. Navashesh means balance of 9. What is balance of 9? It's very simple. Suppose I add 9 to 5. What is my total should be?
14.
14.
14.
Not 14, 14. 14 is my total. Now 4 and 1, if I want to add, what will be my total?
5.
5. Do you understand there? What I mean and what I want to show you? Okay. Now suppose I add suppose I add 9 and 3. My total would be how much?
12. 12.
12.
12.
12. But 2 and 1 will give me how much?
3.
3.
3. Like that.
You have to add it with the cursor.
Similarly, any number you add to 9, that's going to be the number itself. See, 9 was added to 5, but the single digit came to 5. 9 was added to 3, the single digit came to 3 here. Like that, any number you add. Now, suppose I have a 14. Think about it. I have a 14 here.
Ma'am, then 9 plus 20 equal to
Ah,
9 plus 11 equal to 20. Then if we sum up the numbers, the answer
9
is
plus
3,
11.
ma'am.
9 plus 11 is how much?
20.
20. 20. 2 plus 0 is how much?
2.
So when you add this 1 and 1 also, it's going to give you the same 2. That's what is called Navashesh. You got it? When you add any number to 9, the number retains its power, magnitude, everything. A simple way we can do. Okay, your point was very right. Now I'm going to take up 11 here and subtract 9 from it. What is answer?
2.
2.
2.
I'm going to take up suppose 21. I'm subtracting 1, 9. What is the answer here?
12.
12. See, this long it should take because 21 minus 10 is how much? That should be very quick.
11.
So one more. So 21 minus 9 is a 12. Now what is 12 minus 9? There also you're taking time. 12 minus 10 is a
3.
2. 12 minus 9 will be a 3.
3.
Okay? Do you follow now? Here see, 2 and 1 also gives you 3. Here, 2 plus 1 also will give you 3. This is the method we are going to use to find out how our answers are right or wrong. I'm, I'm going to,
Ma'am, if our number is a bigger one, more than 2 digits,
then also I'll tell you how to do. That's what today's class is that. We'll go to the in the verification, it becomes very easy.
Ma'am, what is surplus, ma'am?
What is that?
Surplus.
Surplus means more. Suppose I give you 12. 12 is 2 more than the 10. That is called the surplus value. If it is less, we call it deficit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. More, we call it surplus. Now, in this particular way, have you calculated this page for subtraction, everybody?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt here?
no, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay, that's wonderful. Now, this is the method of subtraction and addition I have given. That is also known to you. It's not very difficult. It says about two numbers being added and then the total coming to 10, two numbers being subtracted, all those things. Now, this is called the verification. In the verification, now if you see, we call a number by adding the number totally. That is called a digit sum. Now, let me erase this part of the. Erase is not coming here. Okay. It doesn't matter. We'll take up from here. Digit sum. Digit sum means when I give you a number and you're going to add the number. That is called the digit sum. Digit sum. On the left side, if you see on the book, 12 becomes 1 plus 2 becomes a 3. So digit sum is a 3. For 33, what is the digit sum? For 35, what is the digit sum?
8.
3 plus 5.
8.
Yeah. Next line. For 43, what will be the digit sum?
7.
7. Now, for the first time, I'm writing all this. You don't need to write. Now, suppose, what is the digit sum of 6 plus 5?
11.
But 11 is a two-digit number. I want digit sum means single digit. What will be the?
2.
Very good.
2.
Very good. And then we go to three-digit numbers. Now, what do we do? Tell me.
Ma'am, what is the use of digit sum, ma'am?
You'll come to know in 1 minute.
4.
Ma'am, first we will do the 2-digit total and then again add the 2
13.
digits.
Yes.
13 equal to 4.
Okay. 13 comes, but that is also added together. 1 plus 3 will give you a 4. So, like this, even big numbers, 2, 3, 4, 6, you take. Add the number, you get a, how much?
15. So
15.
total will be 6.
15 also becomes a 6. Okay. Now, the purpose of using this digit sum is very, very, very useful and very, very much used by many people while doing long sums, long calculations, whether it is arithmetic, even in algebraic sentences, algebraic this thing, equations, you can use them. So slowly we'll go one after another. So digit sum of 11 is 2, digit sum of 95 is 5, digit sum of 98 is 8. So whenever you add up or subtract 9 from a number totally and then come down to one digit, that becomes your digit sum. One digit is the main purpose here.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I did not understand that 3-digit and 4-digit number you did right side.
Yeah, any number of digit. You give me a big, number. Tell me. Any big number you give me.
Ma'am,
6528.
45,625.
Very good. 35,000. 35,624
625.
or 25. Okay. Now what will be the digit sum? I'll tell you immediately. 6 and 3, 9, I'll cut. 5 and 4, I'll cut. It will be 2. Otherwise also you can see 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. What is the total? What is the total?
20 equal to 2.
20 is equal
2 0 20. 20 plus 0 equal to 2.
So what is the digit sum of this number?
2.
2.
2.
So any number you give
Ma'am,
me, I
how
can
do
prove it to you.
cut that 3,
That
6,
by
5
adding.
and 2?
Suppose
Ma'am, 3, 6, 9, 20.
what I did was I just removed the 9s from the given number. Somebody gave me 35,424. I removed the 9s in the number. I don't even need to do this addition. No need to do this addition. You can straight away cut the number. We'll practice for some more numbers. We'll do this here. Now, what all will you cut here? So no,
Ma'am,
the
3
cut
plus
the
7, 10,
9.
19,
17.
11.
Ma'am, 7 plus 7 and 2.
9 I'll
Ma'am,
7
cut.
9,
and
7
3,
and
ma'am.
2.
9 and then 7 and 2.
Then I'll have the digit
5
sum
and
as
10.
digit
8
sum
will
as
be
1,
8
the
will be
digit
the
sum.
8.
answer.
8 only. No more I can cut. Even if I add, see, I'm going to add 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5. Look at the total. Coming to how much? What is the total coming to?
Ma'am, 26.
3 plus 9,
26.
ma'am.
12. 12 plus 7, 19. Then
Ma'am,
21.
26.
And so what is the
Ma'am,
total?
26.
26 is what?
6 plus 2, 8.
8.
8.
That's what I meant. Whatever you do, the digit sum will be just single digit. And your question is very valid as to where are we using this? What you say is right. Now we are going to show in what all ways I'm going to use it. Yeah. Now, can you see the addition I have done on the left side? Add. Can you see the numbers? 273 plus 452 plus 613. They are added and I got an answer of 1338. I'm going to rewrite it here. 273, 452, 613. Are you all listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to add by dot addition. Then I'll get a dot here. No, I won't get a dot. I'm wrong. I'll get a 8 here. Then I'll come to the next one. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 7, how much?
13.
13.
13.
Put a dot and then write a 3 here. I'll come to this line. Then 6 and 1, 7 and 4 gives me 11. Put a dot. And 2 and 1 will give me a 3 here. When I come to the last column, I'll see there is only one dot. So my answer is 1338. Now I want to check this answer whether it's right or not.
8.
You know how I do? I'm not going to re-add it like usually you guys do. You have to re-add the number and then check. I'll do only one thing. What is the digit sum of 273? Tell me. Quickly.
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 12.
You should have said immediately because there is a 9. You can
Three.
cut it. 3 here. What is
Three.
the digit sum of this?
2.
2.
2. What is the digit sum of
One.
the?
1.
1.
Ma'am,
1.
Okay. What was the operation we did here? Addition was the operation. So add up these three numbers. What is the total coming to?
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. Now my job is to come to the answer part. In the answer part, what is the digit sum of the answer part? Can somebody tell me?
6, ma'am.
6. Very good.
ma'am.
Because 8 and 1 you can cut. 3 plus 3 gives me a 6. So is my addition right or wrong?
It's correct,
Correct,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Correct?
Correct.
That's what I said. Now we'll do another.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Well,
Ma'am, if we write the answer wrong by mistakenly 1 3
Mm.
and 8 3, then we add it. We will get the 6, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll get that 6. But you will always know that 3 plus 2 plus 3 cannot be 3. You know that much addition, isn't it? That's a
No,
very
ma'am, not there in the actual sum.
no,
We
but
wrote
that's a
it
very
as 1
intelligent
3
question.
3 8, ma'am.
Yeah, quick.
If we by mistakenly wrote wrong as 1 3 8 3,
Mhm.
then the ds of the number is also 6, ma'am.
That is one simple problem we do have in this method. I appreciate your question. It's a very valid question. Even if I write 1383 as the answer, my digit sum will be same. This is your question, isn't it?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
understand. It's a very intelligent question. But normally, just add up 3 plus 2 plus 3. Would you ever write 3? Tell me. When that
I didn't understand, ma'am, your question.
nobody would nobody would write it as 3 because you're adding 2 3s here. So that's a very sometimes only it can happen. So we'll insist on getting the right answers by doing this way. Okay. Now I'm going to write out a very big addition problem for you in 4 digits. Do the dot addition quickly, and by the side of it you should do the digit sum verification and show me. I'm going to give you now, time is 4:24. I'll give you just 5 minutes. Start.
9 plus 4 give me 13. 3 plus 8, 8 to 9. 9
Yeah, do put the dots also. I want you to put the dots.
7 9 10 అంటే 0 9 14 అంటే
Yeah, mark the
9
dots.
4 8 9 10 4 1 5 13 3 4 10 5 digit sum 9 ఇది 9 cuts.
Okay, where is the first dot coming to?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
on
have
4.
did the addition, ma'am. Above 4, above 5, ma'am.
No, not about above 5. Okay,
Not
you give me
above
the,
5, ma'am.
okay, give. Konjam.
Ma'am, answer for that is 5445, ma'am.
Above 5 we won't get. Above 4
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
give.
Above 5 we won't get. Above
Okay. Above 5, no doubt. The total will come to 8 above 5.
ma'am, above. Yes, ma'am.
And then finally above what?
Yes, ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay.
And then down we will get 5.
Yeah, you finish. You finish
Yes,
the
ma'am.
total. You finish all the 4 digits.
11, 9 cut 2, 12, 16, 16, 22, 29, 22, 11, 22, 10, 18, until 9.
Ma'am, 24545.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer, ma'am. 5445, ma'am. Answer is if we do the dot addition, I got as 5445, ma'am. If
Both
we
ways you
do
should
the
give the same
unit,
answer. In
yes,
both
ma'am.
ways.
If we do the unit addition, we get the answer as 2.
Okay. So your answer is
2, ma'am.
how much?
5445.
Ma'am, 20.
And sum is 2, ma'am. Dot
Ma'am, we
addition.
have to do
It cannot be 5445.
addition or subtraction of this 435.
No. It's not right because
Ma'am,
each
addition
number is
comes
a 4-digit number.
24545.
Each number is a 4-digit number. How can the total be a 4-digit number?
Ma'am, I got the answer 24545.
54.
Yes, ma'am. I
Ma'am,
also got
24545.
24545.
Yes, ma'am. Some.
Okay. So finally give me the answer.
Ma'am, 24545.
Ma'am, 25445, ma'am.
25.
25445.
Ah. Right. So 2 sets of answers we've got here. First one, of course, obviously it cannot be the answer because all the numbers are 4 digits. So your answer cannot be 4-digit. That's not right. So one person gives me the
5
answer as
digits, ma'am.
254.
25445.
Yeah, this one. I am getting 3545445. Now we are going to check it by digit sum. Okay? We need not do the whole addition once again. Now I'm going to the top number here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this 2545445 is this the sum of the given sum?
Yes. Some of the given numbers. But I'm getting an answer which is 3545445. Okay. Now which is right? We'll check here. I'm going to take the digit sum of what this number is. Please find out the digit sum. For that, you cut the 9s. 5 and 4. 0 is the digit sum. Here, what is the digit sum? Tell me.
I'm getting 24545, ma'am.
Okay, it's all right. We'll check
8, ma'am.
8 here. Somebody just now answered they get some other total. What is the total? What total did you get now?
Again 8.
Somebody said a different total.
Ma'am,
What is the answer
ma'am,
you got?
ma'am, 24545.
245. Then 245?
Ma'am, 24545.
Ma'am, how
Four.
can the answer be this much long? 2545445.
Yes, ma'am. Answer should be less than 30,000.
Let's
Ma'am,
write
it
down.
is 24545, the correct answer.
Let's write down first and then check the verification method we'll use. Okay, now what is the digit sum of this number?
8.
8. What is the digit sum of this number?
7.
How 7? See, 8 and 1 you can cut as a 9.
6.
So 2 plus
It's 6.
means
It's 6.
Next, I can cut this 9.
7.
I can cut this 9.
So
7.
7.
Now, what was the operation we did? Addition. Same way,
29.
add up the numbers here. 7 and 6,
29.
13. 13. 13 means 3. 13 means 3. 3 and 8 comes to 11 is 2. 2 and 8 comes to 10. 10 means the total comes to 1. Or if you want to add it as
Ma'am,
it is, you can add.
answer I got is, ma'am, answer I got is 24545, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
24545.
Yes, ma'am, 24545.
Yes,
545.
ma'am. 24545.
No, I will write
Yes,
down that
ma'am, and it is
also.
correct also.
I will
Just
write down that also. Don't worry. Now let us see here. Look at the digit sums addition. It's coming to how much? 7 and 6, 13. 13 and 8 comes to 21. 21 and 8 comes to 29. So the additions numbers digit sum is 2. Now look at the answers we have got. This is of course obviously a wrong answer. We'll check this answer. What is the digit sum of this answer? Tell me. What the digit sum of this answer? Hello, hello.
Ma'am, for my answer, the
2,
digit
ma'am.
sum is 2, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2.
Okay. Are you satisfied? The digit sum comes to
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
2. Now look at my answer. Next answer. What is my answer? 54, 54, 54, and 3. Now last answer, let us check out. 54.
Ma'am, my answer also, can you check once?
I'm 24545, ma'am, not 2.
Ma'am,
Okay,
24545.
Which is matching with the answer of? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
24545.
Ma'am, it is 24545, ma'am, not
45,
5. Ma'am, it's 24545, not
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
24545, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 24545.
Ma'am, you wrote 24542.
No, the bottom one you are
Ma'am,
talking
5 plus 5 will be 10, 4 plus 4 will be 8, 8 plus 2 will be 10.
Okay, Pallav, what do you want
10
to
plus 10
ask
will be
me?
20, 2 plus 0 will be 2. The
Ma'am,
digit sum
I
of
got
all
the
these
answer
digits is
as,
also 2.
ma'am, I got the answer as 24545, ma'am, which is the unit
Okay,
sum is
right.
2, ma'am.
I didn't hear you
Yes, ma'am,
properly.
me
Sorry,
too.
sorry. Your answer is right. Your answer is right. Now, which one thing you think is the correct way? If it is only a 5-digit answer, it's not a right answer. Because this is a very, very, very long and big numbers addition. So the correct answer is 2545445. That is the right answer. 2545445. That is the correct answer. Now let's slowly move on to the next part. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, this much long answer?
Mm.
ma'am, it's wrong. Ma'am, if we normally add also,
not-
we'll get
Why not this much?
24545.
Why not this big? Each problem I have given you, each number I have given you is either nearer 5,000 or it is more than 5,000, except for one number, isn't it? One number is nearer 10,000.
Ma'am, but the total is
Ma'am,
in
5-digit
lakhs.
number will
How
not
can
come,
it be?
Ma'am, but if we add in normal way also, we get the same answer, ma'am, as
Yes, ma'am.
24545.
24545 only,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 24545.
Oh,
Ma'am,
that way you mean, you are right.
2545445.
Yeah, you are right. What happened? I have overwritten the numbers there. Have you seen that? 245, 2.
Yes, ma'am. 5, 1,
I have
5 and 4 you have written
let
extra.
me correct. I have overwritten there. Let me go to.
Ma'am, will not get more than 5-digit, ma'am. We'll get only 5-digit number.
Yeah, you are very right. What we'll do?
Ma'am, we need to join this class again, ma'am. This class will end.
This class is going to be ending in another. No, it won't be ending now. This is 4:36 only.
Ma'am, less than 1 minute.
No,
Ma'am, less
ma'am. The
than 1 minute.
40-minute Zoom limit is there.
No, but this is one note, so it won't end. Don't worry. I'll go to the next page now.
Ma'am, it will end, ma'am. It's showing me less than 1 minute. It will end, ma'am.
Now, some of you
Ma'am, we need to
kindly,
join this class again.
some of you kindly give me the digit sums of certain numbers I'm going to show here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Before
Ma'am, this
that,
class will end, ma'am. It's showing